secret plan to buy XRP. Again, this is just a rumor. Just a rumor, but we're going to talk through it because why not? Why wouldn't we speculate? Today is a very exciting day for the XRP army. RLUSD has officially launched. It is live. We're going to talk about that too. We're going to talk about the PENGU airdrop. We are going to discuss Microstrategy and Bitcoin. We hit another all-time high, I think. It's just absolutely insane, like all-time high every single freaking day. Crypto ETFs. There's going to be a lot of those coming into play in 2025, which I told you about. We'll get into that. First and foremost, we have to give the channel members a shout out. So if you're a channel member on YouTube, make sure, well, thank you so much. If you're not a channel member, you should be one. I don't know why you wouldn't want to be because it's fun. I give you guys special shout outs. Also too, if Ticky Tacky goes away, go to YouTube, CryptoWendyO, go to my website, cryptowendyO.com. I've got X, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, yourmom.com, all of it. Shout out to the channel members. Mr. R, Mr. Mixing, my producer. Shout out to Callie. To Lil D, to KS, to Mr. R, Chipper, and to John Legend. Now let's go ahead and get into it because there's a lot of people that seem to want more. And if you guys want to get more on a daily basis, because I post things like crazy. When I see like breaking news, I post. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so you get more. I also got a new hairspray on sale at Target. Like it was like $8 or $9. Love it. Magical elixir, chicken bone broth with a tea bag of lemon, ginger, turmeric. This tea bag I don't really like. It's too citrusy. But I'm drinking it because I got to be healthy. Lo has her Christmas concert tonight, okay? Got her Christmas concert tonight. I have a video scheduled for you guys about something super unsexy, but we have to talk about it. Taxes. Make sure to watch it, though. It's a pretty good take. Also, it's going to be a hot mess. I'm going to be offline pretty much at like soon because I got to make sure she's perfect for everything. I also have a space with SQUIDGROW and Silent Swap and a bunch of Cardano folks also at 2 o'clock on X. I know, my little low. But let's go ahead and get into the news because that's why you guys are here. What else? Was there something else? Oh, I'm craving baked potato and steak. So my mom's going to come over and make it for me. She's so sweet. So we're going to do that. And broccoli, of course, because I got to eat healthy because I ate In-N-Out yesterday. But anyways, let's get straight into the news. Here we go. So first off, RLUSD is live. It is live on global exchanges. And there's some things I want to talk to you guys about, okay? An enterprise grade stablecoin built for everyone. RLUSD combines fiat stability with blockchain efficiency. I'm using XRP as liquidity, instant global payments 24/7, seamless on and off ramps, access value in real world assets. So if you want to find out more about this, go to the Ripple page on X. Click on their website. It'll tell you where it's listed. Or you can go to CoinMarketCap. I don't think RLUSD will be listed here yet because it just launched, and you can see the official platforms to trade it on. One of the reasons why we're talking about this again is because you're going to see like RLUSD on Solana or SUI or whatever stuff, and there's only one RLUSD. It is available on XRPL and it is available on Ethereum. Another thing to note is as price stabilizes, this thing is supposed to be equal to $1. Okay. It's supposed to equal to $1. It is not, you're not supposed to long it. You're not supposed to short it. There's no price target for it. Yes, there's going to be a little bit of volatility with it. And just if you go to CoinMarketCap and you look at the history of Tether, for example, USDT, and we can just pull that up really quickly so I can show you guys. And you go down to over here, price performance, it'll say the low and the high, all-time high, since inception, $1.22, all-time low since inception, 58 cents, because there have been occasional depegs. It's gonna be in this little box down over here. But with that being said, RLUSD is a freaking stable coin. There's no price target for it. Like if you're one of these people that are gonna buy it and think, oh, I'm gonna make all this money, number's gonna go up, it doesn't work that way. Okay? Doesn't work that way. What's the point in buying a stable coin? Let's address this. So one of the reasons why why Ripple wanted to have a stable coin. First thing, instant global payments. 24/7, 365. You don't have to do remittances. Seamless on and off ramps. Access value in real world assets. When we're talking about global payments, okay? And fiat stability. Bitcoin is volatile. XRP is volatile. Crypto assets are inherently volatile, okay? We love it. That's how we make a lot of money trading, investing, whatever it is. You want to have a stable coin to take profits for stable transactions. Let's say, for example, you need to send a family member some money in El Salvador, for example. from the United States of America. What does that look like? If you send them, let's say they need $300. You send them $300 worth of Bitcoin, but the market tanks because Bitcoin is volatile. So by the time they get that Bitcoin, it is only worth $200. They don't need $200. They need $300. That's why you would want to send a stable coin. So when you send the stable coin to your family member in El Salvador or whatever country, you send 300, they get 300. That's why. Also, too, way back in the day, some little lore. There wasn't how we have all these stable coins now. We didn't have those stable coins way back in the day. Okay. 2017, you didn't have it. So you were trading you would trade like Dogecoin. It would be in a Bitcoin pair. So it's like you almost had to do dosage calculations to figure out how much fiat that was. Stable coins made that easier. Plus, if you wanted to take profit, you never wanted to really leave it in Bitcoin or Ethereum or Litecoin or whatever it was because the prep market was so volatile back in 2017. So it would flip our profit into stable coins so it would be flat and then we can re-enter in. That's what we would do way back in the day. There's a lot of different use cases for stablecoins, but this is big news for XRP. Because again, if you want to send RLUSD, you need to have XRP to do so unless you're doing it on Ethereum. Okay, it's like a gas fee. So this is going to help with XRP is going to help with liquidity for RLUSD. XRP is also going to, you need some XRP to send transactions back and forth. So stable coins are important. They matter. They are not for everyone. You don't always need them. Some people do. Myself, I pay my employees in crypto, like my team. We get paid in crypto. I send them stable coins. If I have a client that I work with, I want stable coins. If I'm investing long term, I'm going to buy Bitcoin. If I'm investing short term, I'm going to buy coin X, Y, and Z. You know, they're different motion for different folks or something like that, or the motion or the ocean. I don't know. Anyways, this is live. This is now. Congratulations to XRP. Love it. Okay. Now, this is just this is just some rumors over here we're going to get into. So it could be happen. It could not be happen. We'll see. Also, too, with RLUSD, you can get it on Uphold, Bitso, MoonPay. Again, you have to make sure it's available to get in your area. You might not even need it. Okay. Anyways, so an investor in SBI is encouraging the company to employ the sailor strategy, except with XRP. And this is the rumor. Okay. So let's get into it. And again, this is speculation. This is a rumor. This has not been announced. This is just me, finding stuff on X, finding it interesting, saying, this is an interesting scenario. This could potentially happen. Why wouldn't it want to happen? Yes, it's also on Zaman Wallet, XAMAN Wallet, RLUSD. But again, we like to find stuff. We like to speculate because why not? We can manifest this. We can manifest this for our bag, just like I'm manifesting $10,000 Ethereum. All right, let's get into this, babies. GAM Investments, GAM. It's an asset manager called on SBI Holdings to adopt XRP-focused strategy similar to Microstrategy's Bitcoin accumulation model. Michael Saylor's company, Microstrategy, just buys Bitcoin. Dollar cost average in Bitcoin. SBI had 179.25 billion assets under management as of March 2024. So some key points from this thread. SBI is significantly undervalued when its ripples holding exceeding its own market cap. This is speculation. This is just thoughts. SBI owns 8 to 9% of Ripple. SBI is not leveraging the Ripple, therefore XRP investment. Microstrategy is leveraging their investment. They take out collateralized loans. They do all kinds of stuff. We're going to talk about that a little more in a bit. The solution: clarify the crypto strategy and buy XRP to boost shareholder value. GAM wants SBI to have an active XRP buying program. Proposal includes recycling cash flow from banking and securities to buy XRP from the market. The buyback program could help SBI's market cap with its true asset value. We're going to talk about MicroStrategy after we do a market update. But basically what this gentleman is saying is, you know what? MicroStrategy is doing it. Michael Saylor is doing it. So why don't we do that? Why don't we take extra cash flow and we just dollar cost average into XRP and we can take out collateralized loans. We could do all these different things. That's what they're saying. And I wouldn't be surprised if we start to see more and more companies do this in the future. Again, this is not confirmed. This is just kind of like a thought, a rumor, or whatever. But the reason why I wanted to bring it up is because we're going to see a lot of crypto ETFs happen get approved in 2025. We have a story that we're going to cover about that soon. But if this happened and other companies start doing this, maybe with Solana or with Ethereum or XRP, you best believe numbers going to go up. So it's important to talk about this stuff. It's good. It's fun. Let's talk about it. Smash the like. Get it, get it, get it. Get it, get it, get it. 645 people. Shout out to John. Shout out to Minky Catcher. I think that's what it says. Mr. Gamer. Yes, we're going to talk about PENGU in a minute. Shout out to Steady User. Gamer, do you not have to have a, do you not have to have, does RLUSD pay interest? Unless you have it locked up on a DeFi platform, or a centralized platform, there's ways to get interest that way with passive income or, with yield and that type of stuff. But again, not your keys, not your coins. And Gamer, is there a way to get PENGU if you don't hold the penguins? Because someone said that they claimed it and they never hold a penguin. It was like with old Ethereum wallets. Because I've got like 3,700 million of them. We'll see. But anyways, let's go ahead and do a market update. We're going to cover XRP. We're going to cover what's going on in the market because there's a lot of exciting stuff happening. Now, this is going to be, PENGU is down 51%. And of course that happens because people take profit. To me, that's a nothing. Big nothing. Who cares? BGB. Crow is up. Chris from Crypto.com met with President Trump. We're going to talk about that in a little bit. That is very, very, very bullish. So right now we're kind of like the weekly looks good, but the daily doesn't look so hot. It doesn't look so hot. And again, a lot of people's eyes are focused on Bitcoin. They're focused on XRP, etc. A lot of stuff on Pump.Fun is not doing super well, guys. Like, you guys can keep shilling all this crap in the comments, but I'm not going to endorse it. And I'm not going to tell people to get it because it's probably a bunch of crap. Anyways, this is going to be the Bitcoin chart. Okay. We've been able to sustain above 104,000, which coincides with the swing wick high that we got back on 12/5/2024. We hit another swing wick high of about 108,000 today. That was the high. And then we're just kind of chilling over here around $106,000. Now, taking a look at the weekly, let's see what we can see. It does look like we're going to have a correction eventually. However, I am not. One of the things I know is it's not good to short in a bull market unless you're experience. So I'm not doing none of this, not doing none of it. I'm just holding my Bitcoin. What is this? Claim.pudgypenguins.com. Yeah, but hold on, Gamer, is there like, can you get it if you don't hold the pudgy? What was the deal with that? I need to know. It's probably in my brief. I just haven't had a chance to read it yet. Gamer's telling me. Yes, I had OG wallets that were eligible. Okay, so I guess I got to connect all my damn wallets. All right. Okay, so Bitcoin is just kind of chilling, going sideways, which is fine. I wouldn't be surprised if we saw a retest on about $104,000. So there's that. Okay, I'm going to go check my wallets then. All right, so this is Bitcoin. We're just kind of chilling. Ethereum, we did see a high of $4,100, but now we're trading back at about $3,900. I have some Ethereum I've been taking profit on, and I've been selling at about $4,000. It's not me taking the market. Right now, taking a look at the chart, it does look like we can continue to go upwards a little bit more. I want to FOMO into RLUSD, how high can go. It's a stable coin. It doesn't go up. It's not supposed to go up. It's a stable coin. It's a stable coin. RLUSD price doesn't go up. It's a stable coin. So Ethereum might get a little bit of a pullback over here. Solana is dropping a bit, but it got a rebound, so that's good. We love it. We do need to flip above 228, which we're getting there. This is the daily. Daily is looking nice. Yeah, we're going to be able to sustain 228, 226. XRP. What is she doing? She's just going sideways. Totally fine. Just as long as we stay above $2.22. Love it. Fantastic. Smash the like. Now, let's cover into more stuff about MicroStrategy because this is going to explain to you, or it's kind of going to help you understand how powerful it would be if SBI or any other company bought XRP the way Michael Saylor's MicroStrategy buys Bitcoin. Now, MicroStrategy surpassed $20 billion in profits in their Bitcoin holdings. Again, Michael Saylor from MicroStrategy, they HBAR and Link, we talked about them yesterday. They dollar cost average. That's all that they do, and they outperform the market. It's just what they do, and they just surpassed 20 billion in profits. However, it's saying profits from Bitcoin Magazine, but it's probably unrealized profits, primarily because they just take out loans. Shout out to Lance. He says, can we take a look at Beachy Mao? Yes, we'll take a look at that in a minute. I'll write it on my notepad over here. I need the contract address in the chain. I will after we get into some news. Okay. My Arbitrum wallet qualified and the wallet never owned a Penguin. Okay, we'll take a look. We have 724 people watching. Got 1,000 of you on Tiki Taki. Oh my. All right, let's get back into it. Now, next, we covered that. MicroStrategy. Okay, so there's this big drama that's happening right now with people in MicroStrategy. Basically, people they're taking out collateralized loans. They're going to get wrecked. Oh my God, blah, 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 blah. I personally don't like collateralized loans because it's not explained to people properly. So when you take out a collateralized loan on an asset, it basically means you take out this, so you give someone 1 Bitcoin, they give you some cash for it. However, if Bitcoin drops or that asset drops below a certain price, you get liquidated. When you get liquidated, or you could get liquidated, you'd have to add more liquidity. You would have to have more money to that position. If you don't have the liquidity to do it, it gets liquidated. The liquidation goes to the company, and then you pay taxes on that. Yeah, because it's selling. That's how that works. So it's very, very risky, okay? Very, very, very risky. But you can still do it if you want. Just a little bit dangerous. Anyways, let's talk about this. So Kai Young, he posts really, really great stuff. He's the CEO and founder of CryptoQuant. Absolutely love what they're doing. He says, MicroStrategy only goes bankrupt if an asteroid hits the Earth. For 15 years, Bitcoin has never dropped below the cost basis of long-term whales, which currently stands at 30,000. Master debt is 7 billion, and his Bitcoin holdings are worth 46 billion. Based on Bitcoin alone, the liquidation price is $16,500. So basically, he's using his platform CryptoQuant to explain this. And again, a liquidation would mean all your money is taken, all your asset is taken from that position. And he's basically using old whales, realized price, etc. data. Do I think MicroStrategy is going to get liquidated? No. Do other people think that they will? Yes. But at the same time, we got to be cautious. Must be cautious. And just understand this. You are not Michael Saylor, and Michael Saylor is not you. You have different financial goals, wants, and needs. Okay, this guy has got an F ton of capital. So just be cautious with that too, okay? If you're going to take out a collateralized loan, just understand how that works. But a lot of people think that's going to be the Black Swan event and he's going to get liquidated. So let's go ahead and listen to this clip from Michael Saylor. What is this? Oh, this is from the thing yesterday. Talking about, people are just saying dumb stuff because it's people, that's just what people do. And again, this is relevant to XRP because because of different companies bought XRP and put it on the balance sheet the way MicroStrategy and Michael Saylor did. That's why we're paying attention to it. So we're learning what this means. Okay. So here's the clippy clip.
So what do you say to people who say, well, it's a Ponzi scheme because every time Bitcoin goes up, you issue more equity and debt to buy more Bitcoin. It just keeps going and going and going.
So the way that MicroStrategy is able to buy more Bitcoin is they issue more debt. Let's hear that again.
So what do you say to people who say, well, it's a Ponzi scheme because every time
basically people are accusing MicroStrategy of operating a Ponzi scheme. Banking is a Ponzi scheme. Cash is a Ponzi scheme. There's lots of Ponzi schemes. That's life.
Bitcoin goes up, you issue more equity.
When price goes up, you issue more equity
and debt
to purchase more Bitcoin. That's exactly what they're doing. So basically, when the price of XRP goes up, if a company decides to purchase XRP, they would issue more equity and debt. That's how that would work. So basically, any company can add any crypto asset they want and do the same thing. XRP is a lot more volatile, though, than Bitcoin. Just saying.
Buy more Bitcoin, it just keeps going.
And then they would use the equity and debt to buy more XRP.
And going and going.
Yeah, just like developers in Manhattan, every time Manhattan real estate goes up in value, they issue more debt to develop more real estate. That's why your buildings are so tall in New York City. It's been going on for 350 years. I would call it an economy.
Okay. Michael Saylor is defending his position here. Is what he's doing a Ponzi? Probably. Do rich people do this all the time? Yes. Do corporations do this all the time? Yes. Do accredited investors do this all the time? Yes. Do institutions and hedge funds and yourmom.com? Yes, they do. They do. You could do this with crypto. You can do things with everything. And this is why we talk about Bitcoin and crypto and the dollar and all kinds of stuff. But this is very, 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 very much true. Okay. Win Lambo? I don't know. Thank you so much. Mommy, I appreciate it. The debt comes with yield requirements. There's all kinds of stuff. Shout out to Maui. My personal relationships are my business. I don't like to disclose certain things because it's not nobody's business. We like to keep things, I'm like a cockroach. I just keep coming back to life, unfortunately. But we like to talk about different things. It's important because I'm hoping to educate myself. And I also learn when I'm talking to you guys about it. Anyways, next story. No CBDC, yes to Bitcoin. European MP calls for EU Bitcoin reserve. Russia wants a Bitcoin reserve. United States wants one. And Japan wants one because El Salvador already put it on the map. And now Europe wants one too. Let's talk about this. This is important. European lawmaker Sarah urges EU to establish a strategic Bitcoin reserve while rejecting ECB's proposed CBDC. CBDCs are coming and it's going to be in the form of a USDC. Just what's happening. She criticizes the CBDC as a step towards dystopian system, enabling transaction control and exclusion for dissenting opinions. She advocates for freedom and decentralized innovation. ECB plans to decide on launching the digital euro by 2025. It's going to happen. It's literally going to happen. We're going to get a CBDC. But the moral of this story is, yes, I agree with everything that this lawmaker is saying. CBDCs are bad. They're not good. Look at what's going on in China. But at the end of the day, we're going to get one. It doesn't matter if Trump is president or not in the United States of America. But primarily, we're starting to see more and more people force a Bitcoin spot ETF. Or excuse me, not a Bitcoin spot ETF, a Bitcoin strategic reserve. America, El Salvador, Japan, Russia, who knows what else? Who knows what else? And this is bullish. This is good for crypto long term. Now, let's get into our next story over here. Let's see. We have a partner on today's show. Thank you so much to PAAL AI for partnering with the O Show, Everything Crypto Every Day. PAAL AI created an AI ecosystem with the ultimate real use case. Any industry can use it. They have a sophisticated army of AI agents. If you guys don't know, we have been talking heavily about AI agents for a long time. One of the things I want to say about PAAL AI is when they came out quite a while ago, I want to say in April 2023, and they were kind of one of the first projects that put AI on the map in crypto for the most part. They have a sophisticated army of AI agents that can handle any task. You can now automate all of the tasks that once consume time, build vision, and deploy your custom AI agents designed specifically for your goals. And this is great for crypto, especially with trading and investing. This is your AI-powered workforce. Use it as your crypto advisor. Market analytics and trading basically will help give you information you can decide to do what you want to do with. Customize and integrate your AI agents anywhere, like a chatbot. For answering questions on your website, you can integrate an agent to moderate your community on social media. A couple things. Institutions are also starting to get very bullish on AI agents and AI. Big names are getting involved too. PAAL AI also recently did a space with Bybit, which is awesome. We love Bybit. So they did a space. If you guys want to go listen to them, listen back. It was on December 12th. Do that. And in addition to that, they also announced a collaboration with AURK AI to help, streamline and just continue to do a lot better. And also too, I wanted to give a quick shout out to Pinlink AI. We partnered with them to do a video on the O Show. So make sure you guys check that out. I want to say that we dropped that yesterday, I believe. I'm not sure. Make sure you guys check that out though. Now let's get back to the news. There's more stuff happening. Let's talk about this. Crypto ETFs in 2025 because they are coming. They are coming. Let's get into this. So Eric B., he's an ETF guy, okay? He said, we expect a wave of cryptocurrency ETFs next year. Not all at once. first out is likely the Bitcoin ETH combo ETF. So it'll be a Bitcoin Ethereum combo ETF. We'll probably get approved first. Then he anticipates Litecoin because of the fork of Bitcoin equals a commodity. That makes sense too. So if you're not in Litecoin, that's something you might want to pay attention to if you think that it could potentially happen. Next, he said, then HBAR because it's not labeled a security. And then XRP and Solana, which have been labeled securities and pending lawsuits. So people got pissed about that. I think he might have got something confused because last time I heard XRP is not a security on the secondary market. HBAR is an ISO 222, which I don't, but it's never been announced anywhere that it's not a security. I'm not saying it is. I'm not fudding the project. I think it's absolutely, I like HBAR, but, and I love Karate Combat because it's on HBAR. But what I'm saying is XRP and Solana. So they're going to have to, like, the XRP lawsuit is probably going to, or the Ripple lawsuit is probably going to have to be over before they approve XRP as ETF. I think that's what he's getting at. But at the same time, it's just kind of weird. It seems a little bit misinformed. So people were pissed from all those different communities, especially the XRP community, and they should be. But anyways, but basically he's saying because these assets have been labeled securities in the pending lawsuits, that's what he's talking about. But I don't know why does anybody know anything about HBAR? Pudgy rug pulled. It didn't rug pull. Rug pull is when you steal millions, when you pull all the liquidity. They didn't rug pull. There's a correction. This is what happens with airdrops because they're giving away so much effing money. Okay. Understand your terms. Thank you. So I can understand why they're pissed off about that. It happens. It happens. It happens. Good morning to Mr. Keeter and good morning to Miss Oaks. Good morning. Good morning. Some of you guys really need to understand your terms. People sold for profits. Exactly. Thank you, Kenny. That's what happens, and it's okay. Now, here is how to claim the Pudgy Penguins. Okay. So basically, we're going to watch this together. Okay. We're going to watch it. We're going to go ahead and go to playback speed of 2. Okay. We're going to watch the damn thing. Here it is. Go to MetaMask. Connect your MetaMask to your wallet on the page. Make sure you're using Wallet Guard. Go to MetaMask, sign it, yourmom.com. Tells you how much you get. So basically, it tells you. So I'm going to go ahead and check to see how much PENGU I can claim. So basically, you can link your Ethereum wallet and your Solana wallet, and then you can go ahead and claim. You do it on Phantom. So I'm going to go ahead and do this when I'm done. But basically, you have to go to this site. If you don't know where it is, go to the Pudgy Penguins X page. Go to CoinMarketCap to understand. Because you can get PENGU, the airdrop, if you used Ethereum wallets or Solana wallets. I don't really know what the qualifications are. They didn't really say, but you should check. But just make sure that you are going to connect to the correct wallet, because if you don't, or the correct site, because if you connect to the wrong one, you can get wrecked and you can get your wallet drained. And also make sure you use Wallet Guard. There's no reason why you shouldn't be using Wallet Guard. It's free. I think it's still free. So anyways, that's free money.
And if you want to create an ADW account, we have something special.
Next on the roster, this is PENGU. This is what the chart looks like, and people are pissed. Good. Be mad. Be mad all you want. Take a look at the hour chart. So the thing pumped like crazy, and now it dropped. That's what freaking happens. It went up to like 68 cents, and this happens. This is what happens with airdrops, okay? If you're not super, super early, and again, this is free money. It's not a rug pull. The chart looks like crap right now because we're looking at the hour, but realistically, you guys, there's so many people that qualified for this, so they are going to take profit. That's what they do. That's what they do, and that's okay. You didn't get wrecked. You didn't get rug pulled unless you aped into it. There's people that I saw that aped in at like a $10,000 position. They bought the damn top, and of course they got wrecked, and now it's worth like $5. So don't do that. Just chill. I haven't even claimed mine yet. Just chill. Just chill, please. For the love of yourdad.com. Okay. Oh, I get 24% for having a bored mutant ape. I'm gotta claim that. All right, I gotta go do that. All right, so real quick. Ethereum and abstract chain L2 support. It's a native token for Pudgy Penguins designed to enhance community engagement and extend brands' reach. Total supply of 88.88 billion tokens. Eligible for Pudgy Penguins, Little Pudgy, Rogues, SBTs have 88 days to claim. And if you don't claim, the tokens will be burned. 25.9% of the supply will go to Pudgy Penguins. 24.12% to go to other communities, including Azuki, Bored Ape Mutant Apes. I've got Doodles and Meme Land. Approximately 7 million wallets are eligible across all communities. Airdrop claims for Pudgy Toys owners will be soon available soon on the abstract chain market. Launch via Zero Layer Bridge. Now, next story. Crypto's eating TradFi lunch as 5.75 billion Coinbase revenue beats Nasdaq. Why are we talking about this? We are freaking talking about it so that you can see how much money you could potentially make in crypto. Will all of you make it? No. But this is just telling you that crypto's not going away anywhere, guys. This is freaking insane. So, Coinbase's 12-month exchange revenue reached 5.75 billion. Coinbase ranks 5th globally. Sexes, who doesn't love a good sex, are growing 2.5 to 4 times faster than TradFi. Coinbase generated 11% of global exchange revenue, over 2 times revenue of the entire DEX sector. I won't say that. I won't say a dirty joke. Coinbase stock doubled in the past 3 months, outpacing Bitcoin's gain. Should you invest in Coinbase stock? That's your business. I don't know. It's really up to you. Now, Miss Ellie, this is good. This is good. We love Ariel. She's awesome. Breaking, a Senate aide has just informed me that tomorrow's Senate Bank Committee scheduled markup vote on SEC Commissioner Caroline Crenshaw has been canceled. She will not be renominated to her position. What does this mean? Caroline Crenshaw is currently serving in the SEC. She was one of the anti-SEC people along with Gary Gensler. The Democrats were pushing to get her back on board. And you know what? It doesn't look like she's going to get pushed back on board. She opposed a Bitcoin approval ETF. She supported Gensler's approach to regulation, which there wasn't regulation. And it looks like people are done with this anti-crypto crap, and good. Her departure could leave the SEC with only Republican members, which I personally don't care, just as long as they're pro-crypto, because it has nothing to do with my body, your choice, whatever the hell. And the banking committee, soon led by Republican Tim Scott, will play a pivotal role in shaping regulations under Republican Congress. Let me tell you guys something, okay? I try not to get super political on this channel, but guess what? Guess what? I don't care who's in office, just as long as they're pro-crypto. Now, why would I say that? Sorry, I have a hangnail. Gross. I have hand sanitizer here. No, I'll do that in a minute. Because the access to more money we get, the better quality of life we get. We can get back to our families, our communities, and get rid of all this wealth gap crap in America. Pro-crypto voter over here. Happy to do it. Happy to do it. All right, now, more stuff. 1 or 2 more stories. Crypto.com CEO met Trump at Mar-a-Lago as industry seeks influence in new administration. Shout out to Crypto.com. Love them. I also have a ref link on my channel. You get $50 if you sign up, or not on my channel, on CryptoWendyO.com. Not your keys, not your coins. Read the terms of service. Also, CyberKong's got a well notice from the SEC, which is stupid. They didn't get any VC money. They didn't do anything, absolutely anything bad. So this is stupid. Price rose 15% to 8.2 ETH, despite Wells' notice. Good for them. Good for them. Also, if you're an FTX creditor, looks like you're going to be getting some of your money back, and you can go ahead and do that on BitGo and Kraken. So that's important to note. But other than that, you guys, that's really all we have for today. I'm going to go I have to check all my pudgy. Oh, no, I have to do Beachy. Bitchy. Okay, let's go to over here. We're going to go to Dex Tools. Let's see if it's there. This is it. I spilled on my pants. Now I'm going to smell like chicken all day. Ah. I don't like these tea bags. It's gross. I'm a hot mess today, you guys. Oh. And I spilled it on my chair. All right, this is bitchy. There is a reason to cry. It's gross. I'm going to smell all day. Now I have to change my damn pants. I got to... I'm so pissed right now. All right, this is bitchy. I don't have no idea what the hell this is. Almost $1 billion market cap. Oh, no, that's circulating supply. $3.39 billion market cap. Okay. Oh, yeah, if it was cocoa, I would... The chart actually looks nice. This is the hour. Let's go to the day. Let's see. Yeah. I would wait to see if it holds at here, point 002. I don't know much about this, but I see a lot of people posting about it. So shout out to the bitchy community. Anyways, you guys, I'm going to go because I got to eat. Ew, you're gross, dude. You're gross. But anyways, we took a look at bitchy Mao. I'm going to go because I need to eat steak and I got to go change my pants. I'm sending you guys love and light. Shout out to the XRP army. And I got to go get ready for low. Okay, bye. Thank you guys so much. Make sure to smash the like. And subscribe to my channel. Okay, I gotta go. Okay, bye. Love you.